Best Feature Film, Golden Nandi award goes to Ega. Second Best Feature Film, Silver Nandi goes to Minugurulu. Third Best Feature Film, Bronze Nandi goes to Midunam. Best Home Viewing Feature Film, Ishq. Best Popular Feature Film, providing wholesome entertainment, July. Children's Film, first Best Children's Film, none were up to the mark, no award. Second Best Children's Film, none were up to the mark, no award is given. Best Director Award for Children's Film, none were up to the mark, no award is given. Documentary Film, first Best Documentary Film, none were up to the mark, no award is. Second Best Documentary Film, none were up to the mark. Educational Films, film on educational, scientific, experimental. First Best Educational Film, Siri. Second Best Educational Film, none were up to the mark, no award. Books, articles on Telugu cinema. Best book on Telugu cinema, Prasthanam, P. Ravichandra. Best book on Telugu cinema. Best film critic on Telugu cinema, Mamidi Harikrishna. The title later, cinema, book, there's no title. Okay. So, Mamidi Harikrishna. So, individual awards for artists and technicians in all categories of films. Best Director, S.S. Rajamouli for Ega. Best Leading Actor, Nani, Yeto Velipoyindi Manasu. Best Leading Actress, Samantha, Yeto Velipoyindi Manasu. Best Supporting Actor, Ajay, Ishq, for the movie Ishq. Best Supporting Actress, Shyamala Devi, Veerangam, for the movie Veerangam. S.V. Rangarao Garu Award for the Best Character Actor, Ashish Vidyarthi, Minugullu. Sri Allu Ramalingaya Award for Best Comedian Actor, Raghu Babu for Onamalu. Best Comedian Actress, no significant character was conceived for an actress. And ఆ స్టాండ్ అంటే పెద్ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఎవరికి కమేడియన్ యాక్టర్సెస్కి ఎవరి 2012లో అంత గొప్ప క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఏమీ లేవు, చాలా చిన్న చిన్న రోల్స్, నథింగ్. సో there was no award is given for comedian actress. Best Villain, Kicha Sudeep for Ega. Best Child Actor, Deepak Saroj, Minugullu. Best Child Actress, Rishini, Minugullu. Question chana? Okay. Best Child Actor, Deepak Saroj, Minugullu. Best Child Actress, Rishini for Minugullu. Best First Film of a Director, Best First Film of a Director, the award goes to Ayodhya Kumar Krishnam Setti. Krishnam Setti. Ayodhya Kumar Krishnam Setti for Minugullu. Best Screenplay Writer, Best Screenplay Writer goes to S.S. Rajamouli for Ega. Best Story Writer, Ayodhya Kumar Krishnam Setti for Minugullu. Best Dialogue Writer, Tanakilla Bharini for Midhunam. Tanakilla Bharini for Midhunam, Best Dialogues as a Best Dialogue Writer. Best Lyric Writer, Anant Sriram for Eto Velipoyindi Manasu, song Koti Koti Tarallona Chandamama Unnamnalu. Koti Koti Tarallona Chandamama Unnamnalu. For the film Eto Velipoyindi Manasu. Best Cinematographer K.K. Senthil Kumar Eega, Best Music Director Award. So ఇంతమంది జరిగిందేమో నాకు తెలియదు కానీ బట్ నాకు 2012లో I think it's first time it's a tie. Best Music Director, it's a tie for Mr. Ilayaraja and Mr. M.M. Keerwani. Mr. Ilayaraja for Eto Velipoyindi Manasu and for Mr. M.M. Keerwani Eega. Both, it's a tie. Both will share the award. I don't know if it is the first time, but name as we thought, both are, ఈ అవార్డుకి ఇద్దరికి ఇవ్వాలనిపించినప్పుడు ఎవరో ఒక్కరిని అని అనుకోకుండా it can be a tie. It can always be a tie. So I think both deserve and మేము ఇద్దరికి అవార్డు ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందండి. ఘంటసాల వెంకటేశ్వర award for best male playback singer Shankar Mahadevan Okkade Devudu. From title of the film is Shirdi Sai. Shirdi Sai nunchi Okkade Devudu Shankar Mahadevan. Best female playback singer Geeta Madhuri. Yadalo Nadilaga Kadilina Bhavalu. Picture Good Morning. Name of the movie is Good Morning. Best Editor Kotagiri Venkateswar Rao garu for Eega. Best Art Director Best Art Director S. Ramakrishna. Film Andala Rakshasi. Best Choreographer Johnny. Song మీ ఇంటి ముందు గేటు అది దూకాలంటే డౌట్. మీ ఇంటి ముందు గేటు అది దూకాలంటే డౌట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ జులై. బెస్ట్ ఆడియోగ్రాఫర్ కడియాల దేవి కృష్ణ ఫర్ ద ఫిల్మ్ ఈగా. Best Costume Designer Tirumala film Krishnan Vande Jagadguru. Best Makeup Artist Chitturi Srinivas film Krishnan Vande Jagadguru. Best Costume Designer Tirumala variki Costume Designer Tirumala variki icham Krishnan Vande Jagadguru for the movie Krishnan Vande Jagadguru. Followed by Best Makeup Artist also for the film Krishnan Vande Jagadguru Chitturi Srinivas. Continue cheyandi. Best Fight Master Ganesh film Okkadine. Best Fight Master Ganesh Okkadine for Okkadine. Best Male Dubbing Artist RCM Raju for Minigurlu Ashish Vidyarthi. Confused RCM Raju for Minigurlu. Best Female Dubbing Artist Shilpa.
ఎక్కడ తన పాత్ర వరకు చెయ్యాలో ఏది గైడ్ చేయాలో అంత మాత్రమే చేశారు. ఆ విధంగా ఈరోజు నేను గైనకాలజిస్టుగా ఒక సేవ్ ఫార్మా ఇండస్ట్రీలో 300 మంది వర్కర్స్కి ఒక మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్గా ఉండగలుగుతున్నాను అంటే అది మా నాన్నగారు ఇచ్చినటువంటి భిక్ష.